looks like it's touching the fence over there. It's almost to the tree. Definitely it's gone up since this morning. The fish are pretty active. Enjoying. This ground is soaked. It's just all coming from everywhere, just down, filling up the pond. So I'm sure we'll get a little higher level. It's all coming off of the field there. Ooh, sweat. So we got runoff from that corner going in. We got runoff from here coming in. And then we got a big old river overflowing here and into the water there. So I pulled some of the blockage out. I got my own little vortex. So I was out here with Dad. I just came over to unplug the pipe over there. So now it's flowing pretty good into the pond, which has gotten enough water that I think it might be to the top. So we're gonna go find out. So you can't really see it, and I don't want to fall in, but that's the pipe right there. So we're gonna go to the other side and see. Might be. I gotta get over the other side. Here, wanna watch me eat it?
You can just go down to the gate there.
Yeah, that's a little bit of a walk. You stuck your finger over the camera. Hey, look. The pond is officially full.